We're at the Supernova at the Melbourne Showgrounds. What can we see in the expo? A Spider-Man cosplay, but Spider-Man is not anime. Well, let's see more. We're inside. Of course my OG person, that guy, isn't there. I believe that he thinks that he's banned from going to Expo or something. Or maybe that guy is at the Copycats party.
That never happened!
The block is awkward, it faces west, long diagonals and sloping too. And in the distance, through the heat haze, in convoys of silence, the cattle graze.
Anyone wants some Harrison Burton? The Harrison Burton photo?
Harrison Burton turns left!
And the humidity we breed. We watch the lightning crack over Kingfield, laugh and think that this is Australia.
Hey, anyone cares for the Noah Gregson photo? This is Supernova. Over here. Look at the cosplayers.
Oh shit, my bad.
I shoved the Karate photo to a Batman cosplayer. I feel like an idiot liking Batman, because Batman is that guy material.
What about the other people liking Batman?
I think you meant Radman.
Again, I know that the Copycat is banned from expos because he copies and that, but I think he's having the time of his life drinking in his 21st birthday party, and I hate drinking alcohol. Alcohol is overrated. Well, Supernova is more fun than his birthday party with all the yucky boy food and drinks, and I have a fear of balloons just like my OG person does. So, there is no way I would be breaking in the party and yell that he is a copycat.
Check it out.
I couldn't find a cosplay of Jonah from Summer Heights High.